Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mojahid, and I am an experienced digital marketing and SEO professional with extensive experience in online growth, optimizing search engine rankings, and creating impactful marketing strategies. I specialize in helping businesses increase their online visibility and achieve their digital marketing goals. My expertise spans keyword research, link building, and analytics, ensuring a comprehensive approach to maximizing digital presence and performance. Ways to increase the visibility of your video content with our comprehensive keyword research service. We specialize in identifying high-impact keywords tailored to your niche, ensuring your videos reach the right audience. Our targeted approach increases your search rankings and engagement by helping you improve your channel's potential. Let us optimize your video strategy with data-driven insights that lead to measurable results. vidIQ and TubeBuddy are great methods for YouTube on-page SEO. These tools can help optimize titles, tags, descriptions, and more, ensuring your videos rank higher and reach a wider audience. If you need any specific tips or tricks on how to get the most out of these tools, feel free to ask. If you need tips or ideas to increase your YouTube presence, I'm here to help. Whether it's optimizing content with SEO tools, creating engaging video ideas, or analyzing performance metrics, I can provide insights to help you succeed.